Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. I hope you're having a great week. In today's video, we will be potting some plants for my deck. I hope you enjoy, crank up the music, get motivated to do something you need to do. It could be something you need to do around your house, outdoors in the garden, whatever you need to work on. Let this video be of motivation to you. Special thanks to my subscribers who continue to support my channel, and to those who decide to join the family today, much love to you as well. Let's get into this video. Okay y'all, so I've got 3 of my herbs situated here in the smaller garden. I've got my peppers, red, yellow, green peppers there, and 3 types of tomatoes there, or it might be 2 types. No, I think I might have got, no, 2 of those might be the same, and then one's like a cherry tomato. And then these are some flowers I'm going to put on my deck right there in front of the bed. But yeah, so that's what we've got going on. I'm going to plant those soon, and got some extra dirt under here if I need it. Might use some of this in a container. I've also got a mint plant that I decided not to put in there because mint kind of takes over your beds, so I'm going to put that mint in just a container on my deck and see how that works, because that'll keep it, you know, contained, and it won't take over my garden like this lemon balm. And it's still some green, good pieces in there, so I'm going to probably cut back all of the dead stuff and of course all the weeds here in the garden, but I'm going to try to leave a small patch of the green, so I'll have me some lemon balm for this year, and then I'll probably try to pull me some to try to make some growing in a container. Do your lemon balm in a container, a pot or something. Don't put it in your garden, because the next season it'll grow up this big. Like it was this size, and it started to flower and of course die because I'm not really watering this plant. It's just surviving on its own down in there. So yeah, that's that. So this is a mess, and this looks like it's coming along. So I'll see you guys later.
I never saw. The way that you look now is all I know. Yeah, it's all I know. So forget about the past. You and I could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. This time we could be lasting.
Citronella plants looking nice. Tree plants. I picked all the right ones off. There's one that I think dried up. A little too hot there, but yeah, that's my little strawberry plants right there. I need to get that guy back in there so he can root up. There we go. Okay. Still got work to do. Got these 3 pots here. I need to find something to put in this one. Remove the weed, of course. And then I'm going to put that sweet mint in that pot. And I guess I can start bringing some of these back up. So I think I'll do that. I'll take some of these back up and start putting them somewhere on the deck. Let's go.
Forget about the past. You and I could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. This time we could be lasting.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down,
Gonna put those in this I'm gonna put the rest of the vincas in those small ones, but I'm almost done. I think I bought too many because I really don't need this one, but I purchased it now, so yeah, I'm gonna figure out somewhere to put these. But yeah, I like to get those spent ones off, so it can grow better. All these dead ones on there. Get rid of those buddies. All dead ones. And that'll let the rest of the plant grow better. Yep. And we'll just do these tomatoes and peppers and other stuff later. Okay, so that's about to be a wrap for today. I'm going to show you a quick glimpse of what I've done so far today, and I'm so sweaty, like y'all. Yeah, it's hot out here, so we're going to take a quick little look around of what we have completed today. I'm crusty. Look, my lips probably dry, y'all. Look, it's hot out here, but I've been getting my water in between. I've taken my water breaks and all of that, so yeah, we done a little something. We got the deck done. I'm gonna show you the garden from up here too, because it's a long way from being done. Anyway. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope you guys have a great week. Peace and love, and I'll see you guys on the next one.